Pic Dance AI review. Let's get started. So what is Pic Dance? So Pic Dance is a mobile app that animates static photos into short dancing clips using AI. It offers trendy dance effects tailored for Instagram and TikTok and requires a subscription for access. So what users like about this, it's entertaining and concept. It also has a large user base, but however, let's talk about its major issues. So it has deceptive monetization. So there's no true free tier or free trial, so it has a subscription required upfront. They also have a slow and buggy experience, so have long render times, which is up to 10 to 15 minutes per video. And they have customer support problems, which has some reports about some stock subscriptions, and many users say they couldn't cancel it easily and continue getting billed. They also have a lot of funds and concept and has a decent performance but it's not good. So in conclusion, it is legit, the app exists and runs and produces animations, but it's not recommended due to deceptive paywalls or poor user experience.